actually due to the climatic conditions.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hmm. So slowly I made these people to get into touch with all the buyers or whatever thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then after a few years, I got into touch with Nekoff. Uh, these are the people who are buyers. Okay, it's a very big organization. They have their own funding from government of India also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They have their office in India. They
Okay.
have office in Dubai also.
Okay.
Mr. Cha and Mr. Anil, all these people, I know them personally as a brother. They say, Bhaiya, Bhaiya, Bhaiya.
Great.
So
Great.
with these people, क्योंकि इनके पास ready buyers है, ready database है, we do not go and search for people, money is guaranteed, and my people are guaranteed. So what I did is, I made a collaboration with these people and made this products to be sold in local market and overseas market.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever things were there, it is very crystal clear and everything is documented and audited also.
Okay.
So there is one. Sir, I just wanted to share my feelings with you.
Mm-hmm.
See, there are a lot of things you have in your this thing,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know where I fit into your shoe also. I don't know actually. But only
Basically, I mean, thank you very much for sharing. Things are in great details and they will be of the great benefit to the society at large.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I would just like to know what is the briefing of Silpa to you, and I will
She
ask the
is my
same question.
family.
I
I'll tell you.
just a
I'll tell
minute.
you. She is my family.
Yeah.
That's it.
No, no. I mean, what I'm saying, what is your take from her briefing? And basically how you feel that country would be benefited by our association.
हाँ सर जी, I'll tell you one thing. एक
Mhm.
काम करता हूँ. I'll come down to Bhopal to meet
Okay.
you with
Okay.
a presentation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. क्योंकि see, सब कुछ फोन पे तो नहीं हो सकता है. Okay.
नहीं नहीं,
Let us
basically Silpa told me that you are having a plan along with her and your colleague to come down to Bhopal, and then we can dedicate a day or even if required more than a day, because developing the
no, no,
right
no,
kind of
no.
understanding is more important than.
Sir, one thing is, I believe in trust rather than any other thing. Okay.
Mhm.
See, unless until what I say or what you say,
Mhm.
when we don't have a trust, we cannot go forward. Okay, on the subject.
Very, very true, very true. I do agree with you.
Okay.
Mhm.
बहुत लोग मेरे पास भी आते हैं, बहुत लोग आपके पास भी आते हैं, बात करते हैं, चले जाते हैं. ठीक है. I want something when I sit with you. I want something very concrete. Yes, no.
Very true.
Okay. क्योंकि आपका भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए और मेरा भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए.
I really have the different view on it. Basically, what I feel, when we
हाँ
are deliberating, we are creating a right kind of energy.
yes
Even if
sir.
I fail or you fail to motivate me or I fail to motivate you, or if we are
Yes sir.
not, we might part our way also.
Yes sir.
Still,
Yes sir.
still, whatever that we have deliberated, discussed, it
Yes sir.
might appeal to third party. It might appeal to fourth or fifth one as well.
Yes,
So,
absolutely right.
so,
Absolutely
so,
right.
so basically, you are spreading a right kind of the energy in the environment, in the ecosystem.
सर मैं एक बात कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, sure, sure, sure.
हाँ. See, I have traveled many countries and being into import export fruits vegetables wherever I have been procuring globally,
Mhm.
I've seen the farmers in the other countries